Good afternoon, Profit Traders. This is Rick at HitAndRunCandlesticks.com. It's June 13th, 2013. On our free video tonight, I'd like to take a look at two charts. The first one, JNPR, and the second one, we'll look at the SPY. First, JNPR. On the 6th, what was it, the 6th? Yeah, 6th of June, a few days ago, this was one of our free stock picks. Because of the chart pattern, we expect it to move a little bit higher. You can see that the trend here, let me draw that in. There you go. You can see the trend up. We had this rounded bottom breakout right in that area right there. And then we had a big bullish move that just went from this doji, this little pullback, shallow pullback, profit-taking pullback, and then we had this big doji right here. Recommendation date was on this red candle right in here on follow-through, and then you can see we just had a little bit of consolidation in here, and now we're getting a bullish breakout doji, kind of a morning star signal in there. A little doji right in there, and then today, nice bullish candle that took us out right in here. We've also cleared the 200-day simple moving average. We still expect something up in the 2250 area, about where this black line is, up into here. There's plenty of room for it to move. Now, I don't expect for it to move in a straight line like this. I do expect to move somewhat of an angle, and we'll probably see peaks and valleys, getting up into that area. If we do see a little pullback, remember to set your stop in there, and we'll look for pullbacks at this point as being buying opportunities, something we call PBOs. Let's take a look at the SPY on this video as well. Today was a great day with the SPY, absolutely wonderful. Over the last several days here, I've mentioned in the trading room that we're at a very critical level right now, and critical level even being let's see here, even being when we pulled back into this area, and even when we had this little 3-bar rally up toward the 20-day moving average right here. What we've got going on is a nice little downtrend, short-term downtrend in a bullish primary trend, right down to the 50-day simple moving average. We put in a low. We've rallied up to what is now a high near the 20 simple, and that helped us create this this trend line right here, this upper trend line right in here. Just go from the high to this high here, and then extend it on down. Then we had a little pullback here, creating a failed high. So we have a low, high, and we have a higher low now, where we've come back to the 50 and put in a pretty nice little bullish candlestick today. The key here is going to be to see some follow through. We need to see follow through over this trend line, but we also are going to need to see follow through over that high right there. So with the follow through, say follow through tomorrow or maybe even Monday over that trend line, that's one thing. Then we need to see follow through over this high, and that creates a validation of this bottom right in here, this low, high, higher, low. Once we take out this high, that, like I say, that creates that validation right here. Once again, we're really in a critical area right now. A lot of things can change. Today was a big day. If we see a failure up here, if we fail to see some follow through, then there's that possibility that well, if we fail, then if we see follow through to the downside, we could see some candlesticks that look something like this, and then possibly fail this area in here, what could end up being a double bottom. But if we fail that and start moving down, that could be a problem right in that area. So we're really in a critical area. Remember, candlesticks require confirmation. Confirmation does not have to come the very next day. For instance, the pattern that we have right now, the short-term pattern, um, this low to a high, high to a low, we could confirm this rally here after this little pullback. It could confirm upward right in here. So the important thing is to wait for, well, you don't have to wait for it, but if you get long in here, if we see a sell candle up here at this double top, that could spell some more trouble. Could point to this trend continuing a little more down. Okay, this was Rick at Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.